Guess what? It's Friday. It's time for another Friday Quickie. Hi, it's Will. Today we're going to talk about how to keep track of batteries that you've used and batteries that need charging. One of the worst things you can do with lithium-ion batteries is charge a battery that doesn't need charging. What I do is I've numbered each battery I have. Number them 1 through 5, 1 through 10, whatever you have. Then I start my day off in my camera with battery number 1. Fully charged, ready to go. During my shoot, as that battery is depleted, I will take that battery out and I'll replace it with battery number 2. And always go in order. Because at the end of the day, when you're done with your shoot, you're ready to charge your batteries. Why waste time charging a battery that's already full? Just take the battery that's in your camera, say at number 2, you know battery 2 and 1 need charging. Really simple. It's going to help you maintain your batteries. Easy tip. And that's your Friday Quickie. Thank you for joining with us. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Peace.